Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're on episode number 2 of the 2022 backtesting logs on NQ using inversions. So we're on January 6th right now. So far we're up about 2R here on the account. And yeah, right now we got 10 a.m. red folder news. So yeah, probably gonna wait for that. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that sub button real quick. Help me get to 1,000 subs by the end of this year. Huge goal I got. But yeah, all that aside, let's get into this backtesting. So starting on the daily time frame, looking to determine my bias here. Looks like the daily here did inverse bearish. Let me check the weekly. So I feel like the draw here could be this daily low right here, this sell side liquidity, because we did inverse everything in this leg here. But yeah, we also do have unfilled daily above us. I'm gonna keep that in mind. But yeah, it looks like we could want to complete this sell model here, higher time frame. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. Also, ES looks a little bit uncorrelated, but mark this up on ES as well. Just that low right there. Hop on the 4 hour now, see what it's telling us. It looks like we are in a 4 hour gap right now, right here, which we did bounce off of twice. Also, we do have this unfilled 4 hour gap up here. We could want to rebalance to there before continuing down lower. But yeah, we're gonna see what the lower time frames tell us. But higher time frame, leaning more bearish right now. Looks like a higher time frame sell model. But we do have that 4 hour unfilled above us. So let's see what the hourly is telling us. Looking at ES as well. Looks like we don't have any SMTs or anything. Mark out these highs. It's also 4 hour there on ES. Looks like we also inverse this hourly, so I do want to see us continue down lower ideally. Held this hourly bearish as well right here. So yeah, higher time frame, leaning more bearish. Let's hop down to the 15 minute. We're also going to pull up our sessions. I believe this is London high here. But yeah, 15 minute looks like we're trading right now inside this 15 right there. We got ES as well, holding a bullish 15 minute there. I'll pull up my sessions here. This is Asia high. Oh, wait, no, London high, yeah. Mark that up. Significant liquidity pool. Close below London lows here on the 15 minute. And this low right here, the sell side, is an Asia low as well. So we're going to keep that in mind. Mark that out on ES as well. I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. Yeah, I guess I didn't mark that up before. But yeah. Also, let's just see where we're at in the range. Alright, so we just tapped into a premium and rejected it. So yeah, everything right now is telling me that we want to continue down bearish. Let's see, is this a SMT? also have SMT here, I believe. Potentially. Let's hop on the 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah, as well as a bearish SMT here. But yeah, pretty much we tapped into equilibrium right here, rejected, so I could want to see us continue down lower off of that. If we can also open up a market and tap into like OTE or something, or take out London high even, I'd like shorts even more. But yeah, let's go to the 5 minute. Yeah, not much I see on the 5 minute. We just got some gaps here. I'm gonna mark up. But yeah, we do have the 10 a.m. news, so I will be waiting for that. But I am bearish. Alright, took out London high. Tapped into the 4-hour unfilled gap. Let's see. Could make a breaker here. Continue us down with the breaker. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 10 a.m. news. Unfilled 5 minute here. But yeah, super bearish right now, especially since we tapped into this 4-hour. Let me just draw this out so that it looks better. The box. Five-minute unfilled gap right here. Probably gonna trade back to there. Yeah. See what 10 a.m. news does here. See if we open high or open low with this news. 10 a.m. See what news this is to ISM services, PMI. Alright, opening up lower, leaving a data wick. Data wick here is basically just this abnormal wick here from the news candle. So 10 a.m. is having an open low, high close here. See, is this a SMT? This does look like a PDI model, higher time frame, but this low here is a SMT. So yeah, we just look super uncorrelated right now with ES. But ES still has a sell side. Mark out these lows. But this low right here is a SMT. Bullish SMT, so we'll keep that in mind, but let's see what we do. Alright, we're in the sell side. Longs look super good right now. 10 a.m. straight up opened up low. Did it? I mean, we did make the top wick, I guess, but do still have data highs above. See what we do here. Longs could cook right now because we do have this sell side sweep. Looks super obvious on ES as well. If we left behind an unfilled 15 minute above or a 5 minute above, I think I'm gonna try this long here. It looks super good. Sweep of liquidity and a discount. Rejecting this. Was this a 4-hour gap or hourly gap? I think. Yeah, 4-hour gap. and then we rejected this hourly gap down here. Took out this low, which was a sell side I wanted to see got taken before on the 15-minute here. Do have an unfilled 5-minute right here, and data highs. This does look pretty mechanical. 5-minute unfilled. Good sweep, delivery off hourly, in a discount. Above unfilled 5-minute, time is aligned. 10:15 a.m. Rejecting. Oh, and by the way, I'm just checking off this checklist here, which I'm using for this back testing. There's no news. We haven't met the objective. No equal lows. Swept higher time frame liquidity. So yeah, this is an A+ setup for this long here. So we're gonna try it. If we have an entry, let's see. Yo, I did not see this 2-minute, so probably no entry on this. I saw this 1-minute here, but this 1-minute looks super good, but we are inside of a 2-minute gap as well, so can't long. But yeah, it's probably gonna play out, but yeah, no entry. So if this 1-minute here inversed something like this with like a better closure, I would have tried this, but when it already tapped my target where I would have been break even, this unfilled, or not unfilled, but this 2-minute gap, it's no longer valid. But yeah, this would have been the ideal entry here, but we didn't get the closure that we needed to take the trade. And yeah, banger trade. Would have hit data highs. Oh, maybe not. Let's see if we can form a 5-minute right now. If we could inverse this 5-minute, I mean, let's see. Let's see if we close above this 5-minute gap. I mean, the best entry would have been down there, but this is still pretty discounted. We do have data highs above. So let me double check for equal lows as well. Yeah, it looks like no entry here. 25. Let's see. If we can retap without, actually not, stop loss is 80 points. So I'm gonna try this. If we can tap, actually then we would leave an unfilled 5-minute though. Yeah, so I no longer like this, but yeah, just no entry there. Took data highs. Drawn liquidity was good though, and my sweep was correct. Thought we were gonna reverse bullish, just had no entry here because this 2-minute gap was in the way. Would have taken this 1-minute if we didn't have another gap in the leg. But yeah, let's see what we do here. If we can sweep out this high, shorts look good. Bro, why does it do that? Alright, 15, 5-minute. We do have an unfilled 5-minute, but this is not SMT, I don't think. Yeah, no SMT there. So we don't have a significant sweep right now. See if we could trade up higher. If we could take out this high, I like shorts a lot. I feel like it's a little bit early right now. Unless this is a SMT. Which it is not. I just feel like this is a super obvious relative equal high here. So I wouldn't really want to be shorting right now. Also in the 3 minute. So if we can sweep out this high, I get a mechanical short down towards this. I would like that. So we'll see if we get it. If not, alright, nice. So I'll take a short right now if we can get entry. It's 1 minute. What time is it though? Alright, and it's 11 a.m. now, so no more trading for me. Yeah, past 11, so I'm done now. But here would have been the short. Let's see if it plays out or not. Towards at least that 5 minute. Let's see. I'm not in this. Are these equal lows? Yeah, it would have been break even there. But yeah, didn't take that because it's past my trading window, so not allowed to trade past 11. So yeah, we did have almost a long entry, but we didn't get our ideal entry down here, so yeah, that's pretty much it for AM. It is a Thursday though. We'll go to PM. See if we get anything clean. Anything A+, we'll take it. Oh, yo, did I just... Yeah, I was about to say. Just got rid of all my drawings. Alright, so 1 p.m. open here. Let's see how we open up. Let me just look at the 15. Real quick, we do have an unfilled 15 minute below. We could rebalance towards right there. And I'm also gonna check the higher time frame real quick on yes, because this is a SMT here. So yeah, bearish SMT. So we could see shorts right now to rebalance to this unfilled 15 minute. Also, we are pretty high up right now in a premium, so we could want to see price rebalance towards equilibrium, this yellow line here, the 0.5 retracement level. 50% retracement of the 15 minute leg, as well as this unfilled, unbalanced 15 minute gap. So yeah, I want to see 1 p.m. open up higher. Also, we did have this 5 minute inversion here after the SMT. So yeah, shorts look pretty good. Also got these 5 minute equal lows. So right now shorts look super clean. Also, all these lows are kind of like low resistance liquidity here. Built up liquidity. So yeah, I want to see 1 p.m. right now. Open up higher. Maybe tap into... Nice, we got a 5 minute here. If we could tap into this 5 minute, then I like shorts a lot. It would be pretty A+ for shorts, especially with the open high low close. But let's see. All right, I'm gonna see if ES taps it. See if we go wick up a little bit higher. and we did not. So yeah, we left that 5 minute, which I don't really like. ES did not tap it. It's 5 minute right here. Yeah, ES failed to tap it, so there's no like fair value gap, SMT or anything there. Yeah, there's my first target. Pretty unfortunate that there was no entry, but I do still like shorts. Actually like shorts even more now with this 15-minute closure. Kind of shifting the structure here, displacement lower. If we could retrace higher now, which we did into this 5 minute here. Do still like the shorts since we did close below these equal lows. Kinda. But yeah, I do still want to see us get rebounced. And I'm expecting this 5 minute to be like a breakaway gap. Meaning I don't really want to see price trade back to there. But yeah, I do want to see us rebalance right now towards this unfilled 15 minute. It's also like a PDI model. But yeah, this looks super good. I'm gonna try this 1 minute short. Looks super A+. We're gonna do the checklist as well. Inversion of that 1 minute, which is highest time frame gap in the leg. ES looks correlated as well. Let me just check the time here. 45. Alright, so yeah, this also looks like PDI. We have this accumulation here. PDI stands for pre-distribution inversion. So accumulation, manipulation higher here into this 5 minute. Now I'm expecting us to deliver lower and rebalance us to equilibrium, as well as this 15 minute unfilled fair value gap. But yeah, I like this SMT delivery off the 4 hour. We're still high up in a premium. We retraced, tapped into this 5 minute, so we're delivering off of that. Are we trading in a higher time frame PD array? We rejected the 4 hour. We had the SMT at the high. Time is aligned. Time is aligned because it's not like an hourly open or anything. Unfilled 15 minute below is my target. There is an SMT aligned with my bias. Have we traded above equilibrium? Yes, we're in a premium. There's no news. We haven't met the objective yet. Accepted the risk, yes. And there's no equal highs or lows near my stop loss. So yeah, we'll try this. And we're gonna do 15 point stops here. TP1 right there, and then full TP at the 15 minute. Which honestly here I might just do 1 TP because it is a high probability retracement that I think will happen. So yeah, 15 point stop. Let's try it. A+ setup though. If this loses, I don't really care. So yeah, let's try it. Nice delivery. Let's see if we hit my 101. Not yet. But yeah, super good reaction. Alright, and stopped out. The did look super good. But yeah, definitely a good loss. 1 minute inversion. Delivery out 5 minute. But yeah, we'll journal this. But yeah, don't really care about this loss. Let's see, did this 5 minute inverse. Yo. Alright, so this is why I lost. Equal highs above, but they were kind of far away, so. Might re-enter on this. Alright. So yeah, that's the reason I lost. There were equal highs that I missed, but they were kind of far away, so I didn't really care about them. If they were like right here, I would care, but they were about like 40 points. But yeah, that's definitely the reason that this stopped out. Let's journal this. Also, the RR on this was pretty good. Delivery off 5 minute, premium of the range, 15 minute unfilled target, highest time frame inversion, high momentum, SMT, 1 minute inversion, good setup, -1R. Loss was at 1:38 p.m. This was Thursday. January 6, 2022. A.m. news, and balance now is at 156.26. But yeah, good trade. Don't even care that I lost. RR there was good as well. Equal highs above. But yeah, equal highs were kind of far away, so I didn't really care about them. And I thought the draw was clear to rebalance, unfilled 15 minute and equilibrium of the range. But yeah, let's see if there could be a re-entry, because we did just sweep that. However, this 5 minute did inverse, which I do not like. Re-entry does look good though, but it's 5 minute inverse now. Two minute here. But yeah, we took it LMPM, so I'm not gonna re-enter, but let's just see if it would have worked. So I'll just call it out 1-0 for the day. But yeah, this would have been the re-entry. Break even here. Forward test it 2-minute inversion. See, there's no entry yet. I mean, this does look clean now. Should we re-enter? The only thing is I don't like how this 5-minute inverse could have run up to this high. This does look super clean though. So we'll re-enter, but half risk. Actually, no. If it plays out, it plays out, but I'm not even tripping. Yeah, 2-minute inversion. Yeah, so good thing I didn't re-enter. Because in real time here, taking a loss in PM, probably would have called it a day there. And yeah, would have avoided that. Looks like we want this high now. See how 2 PM opens up. But yeah, I do have kind of like a new rule I'm testing out, which I'm gonna be doing for this back testing as well. It's basically just 1 L on the day and I'm done on that account. It's something that I'm doing with my live accounts, and it's really just to preserve capital on bad days. Yeah, so what is that? Tap into the 5. I mean, I'm still liking the shorts. Still never rebounced. Let's see. 16. So yeah, we'll forward test this one as well. Really good sweep. Tap into the 5-minute. This would probably be like the best re-entry if we actually did re-enter, because of the sweep here. Super clear. I think I'm gonna actually re-enter on this. But we did already take the L. So yeah, we'll just forward test it, and if we lose, we lose. I mean, if it hits TP, it hits TP, but yeah, 1 L, I'm done. But this should work here. This looks super A+. Delivery off 5-minute, liquidity sweep. Unfilled 15. SMT aligned with bias. Delivery off the 4-hour gap as well. No news. This should work. But yeah, I'm not in it because we already took an L on the day. But yeah, break even will be right here. Alright, nice. Let's see, is that 101? Yeah, 101. I'll be risk free there. No partials. And yeah, would have been break even, so. Break even. Yeah, so just bad PA, and that's why the rule of just 1 trade a day, or not 1 trade a day, 1 L a day, and you're done, just helps me a lot. Even though I was like hesitating kind of to like enter, but I think that's a rule that I'm definitely going to be sticking to, because it really saves me on days like this where just everything fails. Like, it would have been 3 losses, but instead we just took 1 and we're done. So yeah, let's go to the next day, which is Friday, 8:30 a.m. NFP. We still have this high. I believe this is NFP. Non-farm employment. Yeah. Came out negative. Or not negative. Actually, yeah, it came out lower. But yeah, NFP protocol is that I usually see NFPs like retrace back to where they started. So we'll see if that happens today or not. But yeah, there is no more news. So let's hop on the daily. Unfilled daily here. Above us. Let's look at ES as well. Yo, how do I make this go? If we have a daily SMT, that would be fire, but yeah, no. Looks like we're pretty uncorrelated. Or not super uncorrelated, but actually, yeah, a good bit. Because this daily inverse bearish here, meaning we could see a higher time frame run of this sell side here. But we do have this daily unfilled gap above, which I think we could trade back to first and then give the run lower, higher time frame. But let's determine our buys here. Let's look at the 4 hour, see what it's telling us. Sell side liquidity, marking this up on ES and NQ. But yeah, this looks pretty correlated. Let's see the daily here on ES. Right there. Keep that marked up. Let's hop on the hourly. But yeah, if you guys have noticed, taking this back testing a lot calmer, taking my time so that I'm not just taking random bad trades. And yeah, that's why I'm journaling everything. We're gonna see how we do over the span of like a month and over the span of all of 2022. But yeah, I think this calendar is gonna help show that my rules are like very important, like the 1L per day and stuff that I'm gonna be trying out. But yeah, higher time frame right now, I'm pretty bearish, but we still gotta hop on the lower time frame, see what we're doing. We do kind of have this LRL here, low resistance liquidity here that formed. We'll keep that in mind, but looking for SMT or anything. Looks like we're pretty correlated right now. Let's hop on the 15. Let's throw on our sessions as well. Looking for SMTs. Looks like we're pretty correlated right now. Asian high. Not Asian, my bad. Asia high. Looks like London here. We closed below London low. Close below London low right there. Looks like we are expecting this bullish 15 though right now. They react off there. Looks like maybe a market open. So yeah, longs could make sense for sure to retrace us towards that NFP protocol retracement there. We'll see, but looking at ES did not inverse. Also, I didn't even see this, but NQ inversed this 15-minute right here, meaning we're pretty bullish, and then we inversed, and then we also retested the unfilled 15. So longs right now look super good. Also, let me look for a higher time frame breaker block. Low, high, lower low, could form a higher high, continuous higher. But yeah, right now I'm super bullish. Also, we left relative equal highs here, which is nice, but that is a SMT though. So yeah. So bearish SMT there. Gonna keep that in mind. Previous day's low. The sell side here is previous day's low. So I'm gonna have that marked up. Just unchecking every box in here, by the way. But yeah, looking for longs. To see the 5-minute as well. Yeah, respecting bullish 5-minute here, 5-minute inversion. Just longs overall looks super clean to retrace us back to the start of NFP. However, we do have that bearish SMT right here, which we're gonna keep in mind. Yes, a little SMT there, but we'll see if it holds or not. Just gonna mark out these gaps as well. Small, little, tiny 5-minute gaps. But yeah, let's see how we open up here. I want to see us open up lower and market open, maybe take out some liquidity, and then give us some nice longs back up. But yeah. Alright, nice open. Let's see if we can get a fair value gap left behind, maybe not. Also, this 15-minute will be the condition for buys. If this inverse is bearish, I'm just going to assume we're going to trade down lower to previous day's low. But if we can hold this 15-minute here, then I'm expecting us to continue higher. But we do have this SMT, so if this 15-minute does inverse, we could look for shorts as well. So don't really have a fixed bias. It's based on this condition here at 9:45 a.m. But yeah, let's see. We got no gaps left behind. Alright, 3-minute here looks super good. Holding this 15. Also held this lower 5-minute below. Also, let me pull up my fib real quick, see where we're at in the range. Alright, I like how we reacted off of OTE there. Yeah, nice reaction off OTE of this leg. Also nice rejection of discount, as well as rejection off this 15. So yeah, here longs do look super good. Take this 3-minute inversion if we can get it. Close at 42. Looks like we might not get an entry. 3-minute here, closing crazy. So yeah, we'll try if we can get in with a limit, but if not, then but yeah, good risk here as well. About 1 to 3 to this high around. So yeah, we'll try this with a limit order. If we don't take out this high here, this internal, and we just trade lower right now, top us in, retest the 3 minute, and then continue higher. That's what I want to see, but we'll see. Yeah, no entry. So the reason I didn't want to market order this is because risk to reward would be super bad, just 1 to 1. When with the limit, it would be a lot better. But yeah, let's see this play out. And yeah, draw on liquidity was good there. Just no entry, so it's kind of tough. Yeah, NFP protocol did play out here. We did retrace back up to where NFP started. Looks like we're badly behind this 5 minute gap. Right there. Reacted off the 5 minute. So it is still early in the session. We could still get good move at 10 a.m. See 15 minute here. 10 a.m. open right now. We'll see how we open up. But yeah, let's see how 10 a.m. opens up here. Opening up lower. Took out liquidity. Let's see if we tapped into a gap. Or we did tap into this 5 minute here. Thing is though, for longs, I don't really have any targets for my model. Unless we got some equal highs up here. Let's see. But yeah, no equal highs above here. I mean, we do have these. They are pretty far away, but yeah, those are way too far away. I mean, not too far away if we get a good inversion. Looks like we're just dumping. See what we do here. Took out that low. See how 30 opens up. $10:30 a.m. Opening up higher. unfilled 15-minute here. Does look like we could want to take out this hourly low here, so I'm not sure if I want to be longing right now. See the 15-minute though. However, this does look pretty mechanical. Did take out this low as well. Deep in discount, unfilled 15, 1030, open low. Clean 1-minute inversion. So yeah, we'll try this. I like the displacement as well, 15-point stops. Break even is going to be right here at this 5-minute, and then full TP at the rebalance. But yeah, check this off. Are we rejecting a higher time frame PD array? We are not. So yeah, 15-minute dead inverse here, bearish. So yeah, we're just gonna forward test this because we're not really delivering off of anything significant other than this little sweep here. Also, this 15-minute inverse bearish here, right there, so could see a sell-off. This does look super clean, so honestly we'll just try it. Super clean. Break even right here. 0.8. Looks super mechanical. But yeah, break even there. Stopped. Alright. Yeah, that did look good though. Yeah, looked like we were just way too bearish there. So you probably should have stayed out for sure. Just waited for that low. And now look for longs. Or not. But yeah. Discount delivery off. Are we at unfilled 15-minute above, equal highs above, but very far away, so I'm not going to count it. High momentum inversion, liquidity sweep, 1 minute. But yeah, it did look clean. Also, we had open low, high close. So yeah, more L's, 10:30 a.m. on a Friday, January 7th. .30 news. But yeah, it looked like a clean mechanical model. 149. But yeah, reason this lost was because this 15-minute here inverse bearish, which I should have been looking at. Inversion bearish, meaning we were more likely to go down to the lows, and we didn't want to rebalance this 15-minute here. But I did like this internal model a lot with this liquidity sweep here. 1 minute inversion, good displacement. 10:30 a.m. opening up lower, sweeping out liquidity, so we manipulated. Then 1 minute inversion, was looking for the rebalance. So I do think this was a good loss. Did like this setup a lot. Good L, 15-minute inverse bearish was the issue. We're not gonna call it good L. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, peace. If you guys aren't subbed yet, hit that sub button. Help me get to 1,000 subs. Until next time, peace.